Spring's here. Can you believe it? It finally made it.
Oh, I wish I was 59.
Mother Nature left us a dirty patio. Our interlock is dirty from everything that was left behind from when the snow melted. So it's time to clean it up and freshen it up for the season. It might be just a matter of applying a cleaner to it. We have degreasers for around the barbecue. We have tar and rubber remover for the laneway. All the cleaning supplies that you would need. So come on and see the experts here at Merkley and we'll help you choose the right products for your project. Now the tip today is not to use a metal brush. The metal brush is going to mar the surface. Pieces of the brush will break off and eventually rust. So you don't want to use a metal brush. What you want to use is a nice soft brush. Do a test area. Clean it, rinse it off, and if you want to spruce it up a little further, we have a wide range of sealers that will really brighten and intensify the colors and make your old tired patio look new. Facebook. And remember, here at Merkley, you can trust our knowledge, training, and experience to help you.